Good morning, students. My name is Teacher V, and welcome to my class. Today is Friday, October 1, 2021. So, today we are going to review our lesson. Okay, so because we are going to have an examination. So, please make sure you have to pay attention and listen to teacher so you can familiarize the pictures and memorize the words so you can answer your exam. Okay, so let's review parts of our body. Our content for this morning is about parts of our body and how to taking care of our parts of our body. Okay, taking care of parts of our body. Okay, so now let's go to the next page. First, let's have part 1, parts of of our body. Okay, what is your favorite parts of your body? Great. Okay. So, my favorite part of my body is my eyes. Okay, your eyes, our eyes is a mirror of our soul. Okay, so now let's go to the next page. These are the parts of our body. First is head. Again, head. Head. Next is eyes. Eyes. How many eyes do you have? You're right. We have two eyes. Okay, so next we have nose. What is it? Great. It's a nose. Okay, how many nose do you have? All right, so this is a nose. Okay, so next part is mouth. Mouth. Again, can you say mouth? Ear. Ear. Again, ear. Neck. Neck. Again, we have mouth, ear, neck. Great job. Okay, so now let's go to the next page. Next one is arm. Arm. How many arms do you have? All right, so we have two arms. Okay, so next we have hand. Hand. I have two hands. Hand. And the next one is fingers. All right, we have 10 fingers. 5 on your left and 5 on your right. We have again 10 fingers. Okay, next we have is leg. Leg. Foot. Foot. Toes. Toes. Leg. Foot. Toes. Toes. Foot. Leg. So next we have the 5 senses. We have the first one is eyes. Eye. The eye, of course, can see. We use our eyes to see or to look at something. Next, we have a nose. We use our nose to, sorry, smell. Again, you use your nose to smell. Okay? We use our nose to smell. If we cook something, or if you want to smell some perfume or flowers or anything, you use your nose. Smell. Next, we have ears. For your ear, you have to use it to hear or to listen something. If you want to listen to a music or like what you are doing right now, you are listening to your teacher. You want to use your ear to hear something. If you hear any noise, of course, we use our ears to hear. Next is a tongue. For the tongue, we are going to use it, or you use it to what? To taste. Okay. We use our tongue to taste. Say, for example, you cook something and you want to know how's the taste, if it is sweet, sour, or bitter. Okay, so you have to use your tongue to taste. All right. So next is hand. For your hand, this is our hand is very, very important. We can use it for anything. Okay, like you use your hand to touch something, to hold something, to draw, to write, or anything. Our hand is very, very important. Okay, so please always take good care of your hand. Keep it always clean. Wash your hands every day to stay away from the germs. Okay, so these are the five senses. We have eye, nose, ear, tongue, hand. Now let's move on to part two, taking care of parts of our body, or taking care of the parts of our body. How you gonna taking care of your body? These are the following example. In taking care of external parts of the body, first let's have eyes. For your eyes, you have to protect it or protect your eyes if you are in a dusty area. All right, so if you want to go to a dusty area, if you have a sunglasses or a reading glasses or anything to cover your eyes, please do it. Please use it. Okay, because it is very important to protect our eyes. We should keep it clean. Okay, because without our eyes we can't see anything. How we gonna walk? It would be very hard for us to walk. How you gonna go, or you wanna watch something, if you wanna watch movie or anything. So please make sure to protect your eyes in a dusty area. Okay. Next, we have read with enough light. Okay, so when you are answering your homework, or if you want to doing something at home, please make sure you have enough light. Okay, do not do anything if it is too dark, because it is not good for your eyes. So please make sure to have enough light around you. Okay, so you can write anything. Do not play your mobile or do something that is very dark, because our eyes need a light, right? So please make sure to have or to do it at home. Okay, So next we have is avoid looking directly at the sun. Okay, so at your age, you love to watch something. But please be very careful in looking directly to the sun because it is not good for our eyes. All right. That's why if you can find or if you can see some people, if they go outside, they are or they were wearing a glasses because that glasses can protect from the sun. Okay. So you have to be very careful with that because it's too hot. The hot temperature might affect or might can it's not good for your eyes. All right, so now let's go to the next page again. For the eyes, protect your eyes if you are in a dusty area, read with enough light, and avoid looking directly at the sun. Now let's move on for your ears. On your ears, of course, be careful not to let water get into your ears. Okay, so if you want to go to swimming, always be very careful. Okay, because sometimes we don't know, we go to swim and jump and we didn't notice that water is getting inside our ears. Okay, so we have to be very careful with that. Okay. So otherwise you have to go to the doctor and it is cost a lot of money. Okay, so now let's move on to the next page. Here, the next one is avoid using anything sharp or hard to pick your ears. Okay, so if you have to cotton buds or if you don't know how to clean your ears, you can ask help from your parents or elder brother or sister, all right, to help you clean up your ears. Avoid using anything sharp objects or hard objects to pick your ears or to clean it. Next we have is avoid being a very loud place. Okay, so if you're gonna hear some very, very loud music or any noise, please cover your ears because it's not good for our eardrums. Okay, if you're using a headset to listen to a music, please make sure to adjust the volume. Do not over volume it. Okay, so because it is very important, you have to take good care of your ears. Avoid using earphones. This one. This is what I'm talking about. Or talking on the phone for a long time. Okay, so you have to be very careful with that again. Okay, avoid using earphones for a very long time. And the next one is clean your ears by using a clean cloth to wipe them regularly. Okay, so please make sure to have to use anything or any clean cloth to clean up your ears or to wipe it regularly. Do not just get something and you don't know it might be very or it is very dirty. So the bacteria will move or transfer inside your ears and it will get infect and you will get your ears will get infect. Okay, so next we have a neck. Avoid playing or doing anything that may cause damage to your neck. Don't sit like that playing your mobile and it's very playing your mobile for a very long time. Next, we have use a suitable pillow that is not too soft, too hard. All right, so look at that picture. The girl, what does the girl doing? What does she use? How does she sleep? Okay, so next is clean and exercise your neck regularly. So you have to clean and exercise your neck regularly. Okay, let's have the nose. For the nose, you have to avoid blowing your nose too hard. Okay, avoid blowing your nose too hard. Slowly blowing your nose. Okay, do it slowly. Next is cover your nose with a clean handkerchief if you are in a dusty area. Okay, especially now it is COVID. There's a virus around us. So we have to be very careful and always keep your nose, especially in a dusty area. Yeah. So reminder, always wear a mask if you go outside. Okay, students? Next is clean your nose gently. This is how you're gonna clean your nose gently. You can you can go to the pharmacy and then buy the things, the liquid, and then clean your nose. Okay, you can ask help from your parents. Next, we have hair. For your hair, of course, you have to wash it regularly and dry it well in order to avoid getting lice. Okay, this is a lice, right? So always clean it. Use the best shampoo. I think my advice student, do not use a different shampoo. May use one shampoo all the time. And if you think that it's not fit or your hair doesn't like it, so you have to change it. Okay, anything and or any anti-dandruff shampoo that is good and that can kills lice. All right, so now let's go to the next page. For hands and nails, wash your hands before eating and after using the toilet. Always keep your nails short to prevent germs. Feet and toes. For your feet and toes, wash it and wipe them dry when you come in from outside. Okay? So if you go outside, you play with your classmate, please make sure to wash before you go inside your home, inside your house. Okay? So next we have wear clean socks and shoes. Okay, please make sure to wear a clean socks and shoes. Changes every day or every time you change. Do not use the same socks every time you go outside. Okay, always clean it. Always use and clean. Put in the laundry. Okay, next, always keep your toenails short. Okay, so if you think that it needs to be cut, and then you have to cut it. Okay, because it is very dangerous when it's long. All right, so maybe it can damage your toes or your fingernails. All right, so that is very important. So please follow these things, students. Okay, so next we have skin. For your skin is shower your body with soap and wash it off well. Shower at least twice a day and wear clean clothes. Okay, remember to shower twice a day and wear a clean clothes. Okay, please make sure, student, if you go outside, remember, if it is very outside and you go back home, do not go and take a shower immediately. Okay, it is very dangerous for your body. Just sit and relax at least 30 minutes before you go to take shower. All right, so now let's move on to the next page. Again, we have mouth. Wash or wipe your mouth after eating. Tongue. Avoid eating food that is too hot. Brush your tongue to avoid germs. Chew your food carefully. Okay, so these are the examples on how you're gonna taking care of your tongue. All right, so next we have is teeth. For your teeth, of course, you have to brush your teeth at least twice a day. Once in the morning and once before bedtime. or after your evening meal. Avoid biting on something that is too hard or sticky. Okay, be careful with that, student, because your teeth is still a baby. You need to take care of it. Okay, so next is visit your dentist regularly. Okay, if you feel something wrong, if it's like very painful, your gums or teeth, please ask your parents and then tell them to go and check in the dentist regularly. Okay, because if you don't go there and you just leave it like that, it will get worse and worse, and would be very painful if you don't go to the dentist immediately. Okay, so next we have gums. After brushing your teeth correctly, use your clean fingers to massage your gums gently. So that's the picture. Look at that. So you have to massage it. Okay, it is very, very important. Use a toothbrush that is soft and suitable for your teeth. Okay, that's it. I think we are done with our lesson. Thank you so much for listening, student. My name is Teacher V, and good luck to your exam. We'll see you next time. Bye.